Hi everyone, purpose of this video is to take your information from your student learning objectives form and adding it into Strive. Shout out to Miss Ray, thank you for letting me use your login so that way I can make this video. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you've logged into Strive and also make sure that you have your worksheet in front of you because we're just going to take the information from the worksheet and copy and paste it into Strive. When you get into Strive and it brings up your personal view, you want to make sure that you're in the Evaluations tab, and you will scroll down to Student Growth, click the plus button, and we will get started. For your goal, what is your goal for student growth? That comes from box B. Question B, what is the SLO skill focus statement for this content area or subject? You will take your goal, copy it, and paste it into this first box in Strive. The information for the second box comes from page 3 of your worksheet. This is where your students will be at the end of the year. We are looking for you to have a typical and below typical skill profile of expectations. You can put the well below typical, but that's up to you. We are looking for typical and below typical. So first I'm going to type in the words typical and below typical. I'll go back to my worksheet, copy what's in the typical box, paste it next to typical. Do the same thing for below typical. After that, the next box, you'll pick your learning standards, your TEKS, click on middle school, your subject area, and the TEK you based your student growth goal from. To reference from the worksheet, your TEKS would be on the first page in this bottom box after letter D. After you select your TEKS, the next thing you'll add is an action. This information will come from page 4 of your worksheet. And we're looking for the answers to these 3 questions. Your answers you will just copy and paste. When you are complete, you'll make sure you click Save, and it'll save your information. If you have any questions or need any help, you can always contact myself or your T-Test appraiser. Thank you for watching.